I'm excited about this morning. We've assembled a collection of speakers and subjects which we think will surprise and delight you. EandM is expanding to cover robotics broader and deeper. And the speakers are going to be showing a lot of real-life examples, in some cases live real-life examples. And this is not a stream of PowerPoint, you'll be glad to hear. My name is Andrew Etherington. My background is 25 years in semiconductor design. I'm an engineer. But after that time in semiconductor design, I got much more interested in automation and robotics. I got into the more interesting field of automation and robotics. And I've been working in that area for cumulatively about 10 years. Since I've been with EandM over the last 10 years, we've expanded our focus on robotics. And we're proud co-parents of thousands of robots and robotic automation solutions on the West Coast. For example, in mobile robots, we've sold thousands of industrial LiDARs into robotics applications. So we have a lot of experience in robotics, and we're building on that. But first, before the first speaker, I'm just going to give you a little postage stamp background on EandM. EandM is a West Coast provider of automation and robotics solutions. The company started in wine country, repairing electric motors for lumber mills and wineries in the 1950s, and has expanded to cover today the latest automation and robotics products. We have headquarters in Healdsburg, just about an hour and a half north of San Francisco, office in San Francisco, Irvine, Seattle, and Portland. So you can see we've got the coast covered. We also have robotics covered. Here are the vendors who are going to be speaking this morning. And I think each one has chosen a very interesting subject. Part of the objective is to talk about things that we don't necessarily highlight that frequently at EandM, but we're really building an awesome collection of robotics, market robotics, machine support. We will be having a surprise announcement. There is a press embargo on this. It's nothing to do with the election. It's breaking news, but we can't talk about it till 11:30 a.m. this morning. So we will be sidebarring very quickly at 11:30 to give you a surprise announcement, and it's with regard to EandM's coverage of the robotics market. The structure this morning is first, we're going to have a short presentation from Siemens on the future of robotics. Then there's a section of half-hour presentations which are focused around actually buying a robot and the things that are bolted directly to a robot. And then there's a section of what accessories and things you need as you continue to implement your robotic solution.